Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Nothing Phone 4a. Okay, we have two methods how we can reset our phone. We can reset it through the settings and also through the recovery mode. Let me show you the first option through the settings, which is actually the recommended one. Open the settings, scroll all the way down and find the system. And now click on reset options, and we are interested in the last option, erase all data, factory reset. We need to tap on that. Of course, remember that everything will be permanently erased from your device. So for example, you can create a backup of the data before the reset. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel you can find a video how to do it, so if you want you can watch it. And now if you click on erase all data, your device will be turned off, the phone will perform the factory reset, and then it will be automatically turned on again, and the setup process will appear on the screen. That's the first method. When it comes to the reset through recovery mode, we need to remember about one thing. The first thing is that if you have your screen lock set, there is a chance that after the reset, in the setup process, the phone will want you to type this password to verify that you are a user of this device. And there's also a chance that if you don't sign out from the Google account right now, before the reset, there's also a chance that the phone will tell you that you have to sign in to Google account to go forward in the setup process. That's also a verification to check that you're a user of this device. So have that in mind. Now, to perform the reset through recovery mode, we need to power off our device. So click power key and volume up to launch the power menu and click on power off. Now, to enter the menu, we need to hold the power key and volume down button. Now keep holding. Okay, now using volume keys, we need to find recovery mode, and now click power button to confirm. And now hold power button and click volume up. We are in recovery, and now the font is really small, but using volume keys, you need to find wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now select factory data reset and confirm. Now we need to wait. The phone should be turned on automatically. If it doesn't, hold the power button. Okay, the phone vibrated, nothing logo appeared, so that we just need to now wait until the setup process appears on the screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.